Hey guys, Chip here, and I thought I'd do something. I got a light up there. I don't know how well this is recording. It's a new phone. Anyway, so there's a lot of light coming off this phone. Anyway, I decided I want to try and do a thing while I'm driving home. I got spider webs on me. That's good. Oh, hell. I hate that. Anyway, so yeah, I'm gonna do a podcast of sorts. It'll be random, and it'll be in addition to my once a week video. Sometimes it might be even live. You never know. Um, but yeah, it's just gonna be. I found when I'm driving home from work, bored. I'm driving for 40 minutes. My mind wanders. I think about things, and why not record some of them? Talk to you guys about them. Might be fun. Never know. Not always going to be car related. Uh, just random stuff. Anyway, let me know what you think. Bye.